Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Strawberry Latte Mega. This is what it looks like, and these are the things that I will be using today. I have my sticker kit right here. I have my highlighter pen. It's not really a highlighter pen, but it is a brush pen that I will use as a highlighter. And then I also have my fountain pen. I have fallen in love with my fountain pens once again, and I can't wait to plan using this. This is pretty much new. This is the newest one in my collection. So if you'd like to see how my page will look like after I use all of these planning goodies, make sure to stay tuned. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get into the sticker kit that we will be using first. Come on. There we go. And this is called Springtime, and this is option B. Whenever you see options on the title of a kit, it means that the sticker kit would or has a few different skin tone as well as hair color options. So this is the one I picked, the one that is brunette, and once again this is called Springtime. So it's very pink, very green. So this is a teal green instead of a mint or mint green, or even a, so this is a mint. Well, I feel like it's a little bit blue though. I guess that mints come in different colors, like a Tiffany blue. It can also be a mint if you would like. Robin's egg is a mint that's leaning towards blue, but that's not this one. This one is pretty good teal, like a more pastel leaning teal, and this is what the first page looks like. So in our shop you get 2 pages for each kit. That is less than $3, maybe $2.50. I'm not sure, depending on the exchange rate, but it should cost no more than or not over $3. Definitely, that would be very scary for us because that means that our currency has devaluated a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go and put down the day covers. So the day covers was the sticker right here, and here it is now. And then I'm just going to put it on top of where the dates are. So this is March, the page of March 11th until the 17th. So we are halfway through March. Time flies so fast. I mean, the days are long, but the years are short, because it is now, guys, can you believe it? It is now the middle of March, and I feel like Feb had just started. I want to put this here. Oh, no. Okay, hang on. I want to put this here at the side. So I'm just going to scoot it as close to the edge as I can before it turns, or not curl, but before it becomes or goes into the spine, I guess is what I meant. And this is as good as it can go. By the way, I wanted to show you, let me show you. Focus. It's having trouble focusing today. I don't know what's going on. There you go. So as you can see, it's very thick now. It's very chunky, and I am loving that. Of course, I keep having to manually focus, but I'm hoping it's all right. And this is the page we have once again. So I've put down the day covers, and then I put down the strip sticker. Now I have the checklist, the next biggest sticker here, if not the biggest vertical sticker. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push it up against the day covers, and then lay it down. And this is what we have. And it is pretty. I love it. I love it so much. It's very quiche. If you like the aesthetic of the, what is that called? TPS. The Planning Society. This kind of feels like that. A little bit. And now I'm going to put down, so I've taken the second page, and I'm going to put down this bottom bar, the left bottom bar. So a lot of the stickers in the market right now have bottom bars that are as big as this. But for our kits, we do have the decorative double bottom bar. So it's a bigger one. It is twice the size of this. And this goes usually on the right page. But of course, you can put it anywhere you would like. You don't necessarily have to put it here. You can be as creative as you want with your page. But for me, I prefer to put it down here. And it looks so nice. This is exactly how I like my pages to be. So let me go ahead and move on with my script stickers. I want to film this quickly because the sun is not going to be around for long, and soon it's going to cast a very purple glow and everything will be purple, and that is really hard to fix on post. And I put down my weekend sticker here. You can also put it up here, but I prefer to put it here for this spread because I've always been putting it across here, and I kind of tired of that. So I have a few things here. I have today and to do, so I'm going to use the today and to do sticker up at the top. So today goes here. Okay. Be very gentle with the script stickers because, guys, the script stickers are very delicate. So you can see there. And I like it. I decided to do it like that for all our kits because I feel like all our aesthetic is mostly delicate, very girly. So I'm sorry if that's not, well, not really that I'm sorry. If that is not your aesthetic, then it's completely fine to skip the script stickers if you would like. I'm going to put down goals. And I think I'm going to put down goals here. Because before I put it up here and then it was not working. I was not reading it. It was not in my radar because it was up here. I do have track and I do have notes. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to confusion. Okay, well, first I'm going to use this up here because that is how, okay, I'm going to use it over here at the side. There you go. And then I'm going to put down this header slash, not header, well, yeah, header, but is it label stickers, guys? I don't really know. Okay, and then I'm gonna put something down here. I'm gonna put this deco. Yeah, that should be enough. And then I'm gonna take another header sticker, header or label. Headers are the ones with scripts, right? Is it? I don't know. Okay, and then I'm going to take the very last one, and then I'm going to put it here because this is new releases, and that's always very special. And now I'm going to take my teardrop stickers, and I'm going to take 2 of them and put them on one on Wednesday, and then one on one on Wednesday, and then one on Friday, because these are class days. And then I'm going to take my little dot things, so dot stickers, and then I'm going to decorate my page with it. I'm not going to use it functionally this time because I've been enjoying using it as a decoration, and I hope at some point I did not go unfocused because that would be very sad, as because I haven't been looking in the on the iPad screen, and you'd think that I do that because it's an iPad, not really a camera. I film on an iPad, if you did not know. Also, you should go ahead and follow me on my Instagram because it is where I am most active at the moment. I am enjoying using the IG Stories feature. There you go. And this is that page done. Now I'm going to put down this sticker, track, down here. Okay, hang on. I'm going to put it this way down. And then I'm going to take notes. I'm going to put it on here. No, on here. Because it's going to be okay, no. Notes. That's cute. Yep. And then I just have these 3 here, and then I guess I'm just going to go ahead and use this up. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna put another one here, and I'm gonna put another one here. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I have an idea, but let's see. So these are my empties. This is the first page, and this is the second page. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put down some, or write down some things using my Coeco. So my Coeco Sport, it's so you unscrew it, and it opens the cap. Okay, and this is the dates done. Now I'm going to put down here littles. By the way, the paper that I am using is our cream glossy, and this paper is made for the for fountain pen use. And in this fountain pen is a PK Ackerman. I think this is the blue one. Yes, this is supposed to be the blue one, but it is leaning towards black because I had Noodler's gray, Lexington gray in it, and then I just put in the PK Ackerman, and it kind of really fixed it because the Noodler's was way too wet for this nib, and it looks okay now, thank goodness. So I'm just going to put down a few things. So here you go, and then, oh, I forgot. Okay. So now I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. There we go, and that is all I'm going to do today. If you'd like to see how this page turns out at the end of the week, make sure to follow me on my Instagram as well as our Facebook page. It's paperjoyph, and of course, if you'd like, if you have time, you can also interact with me in our Facebook group. That's paperjoyph Planning World. I also post exclusive discount codes on there. And then what else? Of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It is paperjoyph. And everything that you saw here in terms of sticker kits are from my shop as well. So same thing, paperjoyph. What do you guys think of this? Is it nice? Because I am loving it so much. These are some of my favorite color combinations, and this is super pretty, at least to me. It just is so nice. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!